team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage B, Cookies, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Mary took the cookies out of the oven. The smell of sugar and chocolate wafted through the room. She felt some satisfaction that they had turned out so well. The last time she made cookies had not gone well. She took one and raised it to her lips, ready to take a bite. Steam rose. Ouch! The cookie fell to the floor. Mary would have to wait a little longer before tasting her cookies again. Questions. What activity was Mary doing? Had Mary made cookies before? Why did Mary say, ouch? What kind of cookies did Mary make? Now let's check the answers. What activity was Mary doing? Mary was baking cookies. We know this because at the beginning of the story, Mary takes cookies out of the oven. Had Mary made cookies before? How do you know that? Yes, Mary had made cookies before because the text mentions the last time in sentence 4. Why did Mary say, ouch? Because the steam from the cookies burnt her lip. It mentions steam here. What kind of cookies did Mary make? Mary made chocolate cookies. We know that from sentence 2, where it says the smell of sugar and chocolate wafted through the room. Thank you for your time. How did you go?